Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Claudia, international makeup artist, and today I decided to show you how to achieve a colorful makeup look, as usually I'm doing more neutral looks. Even though the main focus is gonna be on the eyes today, I'm always making sure that the skin is very well cleansed and the foundation and everything looks flawless, because nothing looks amazing without an amazing base. So I start by cleaning the face very well. I'm also hydrating it. I'm also hydrating the under eye area and the lip area, and then I'm gonna apply a thin layer of foundation and the concealer underneath the eyes. Before setting the face with powder, I'm also gonna apply a cream blush, even though I'm gonna apply a powder brush on top as well, but I just want that base, that creamy base. You know I love my cream blush. And afterwards, before I set the face as well, I'm gonna apply the highlighter, because I want the highlight to pop this time. Next step is setting the face with a tiny bit of translucent powder. I start with the under eye area and a tiny little brush so that I can make sure that nothing will crease, and then I'm gonna use a bigger brush for the rest of the face. And after that, I'm gonna use the powder brush that I was telling you about earlier. This has a very beautiful golden glow to it. And I'm also gonna use the bronzer to warm up the skin, and don't forget your nose, because that's what gives you the sun-kissed effect. I'm making sure that everything is very well set using the mattifying mist by Beauty Bay, and then I'm gonna apply the eye base all over the eyelids and on the lower lash line as well. And as you can tell, this time I'm not using my brown eye base, I'm using a flesh tone base, because I want my colors to pop. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade of pink, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corners of the eyes and on the outer corners of the eyes as well, a tiny bit on the crease as well. And then gradually I'm gonna start deepening out the pink tones, and I'm gonna use a deeper and more vibrant pink as I go. Once I get the intensity that I want, I'm also gonna apply the hottest shade of pink on the inner corners of the eye, on the lower lash line and on the outer corners as well, because I want that halo effect. Then, taking the first big fluffy brush that I used in order to apply the light shade of pink, I'm gonna use the same light shade of pink in order to blend the edges very well. And I'm also gonna use a little bit of yellow on the lids. This is a lip product actually, it's the lip palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just use it as a base. And then I'm gonna apply this beautiful light yellow pink shade. Because I want a metallic eyeliner, I'm gonna start by using a brown liner to get the intensity, and then I'm gonna use the liquid shadow in a purpley shade which has a very beautiful gold reflex to it, which works amazing with this look, on top of the eyeliner. Moving on to brows, I'm just gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit because I want to keep them very soft, as the eyes are the main focus of this look. And then I'm gonna move on to the lips, and I'm gonna use the same bronzer that I used on the face as lip contour actually, and then I'm just gonna apply this beautiful gloss all over the lips. This is the finished look. It's pretty easy to achieve, and of course if you want you can always switch up the colors and do whatever combination works for you best. And of course if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram story so that I can share your story on my story. I hope you enjoyed it and have an amazing day.